Lions Club members, and dear colleagues. Good morning, one and all. Myself, Mohammad Zahid Hussain, working as a physical science teacher in Government High School, Jangamet, Hyderabad. Basically, I'm teaching physical science in Urdu medium school. I'm also working as a resource person, district resource person. As we are aware that because of pandemic, the whole world is facing a lot of troubles. Especially our children are not able to learn because of physical classes. So I was worried and I was unhappy by seeing the situation. And during June 2020, our Hyderabad district collector has started and taken as an initiative to provide the online classes, especially for government school students. Our district educational officer also started a website that is www.eohyderabad.telangana.gov.in. Many government teachers in Urdu medium, Telugu medium and English medium, they have uploaded their subject videos on the website. So I also participated in that website. I am also uploading the videos. So at the same time, I started my YouTube channel for physical science subject in Urdu medium. My YouTube channel is Zahid Educare. You can find on my YouTube. So during pandemic, I came across this Lions Club ad in one of my WhatsApp groups, and I have uploaded my application. So I got a lot of experience during this pandemic. So normally, many people are thinking that because of pandemic, students cannot learn anything. They are they are roaming here and there. They are not learning, especially the government school students. But I can say that we have a very good opportunity. We have a good tool, that is internet. Because of internet, as we know, the world has become the global village. In Western countries, they are taking a lot of help of the technology. So in India also we can take, and we are taking a lot of help of the technology. So for this video presentation, I used my normal cell phone, and my eldest son who is in 10th class, Mustafa Hussain, he shot my video, and during pandemic only he learned a lot of video editing software. Earlier I don't know how to shoot using green screen effect. So he also helped me to some extent. And with this I uploaded my video, and I have used Filmora video editing software. With this software I uploaded the video, and because of time restriction I cannot explain everything in detail. Lastly, I congratulate all the participants of this event and all the winners, especially merit winner Mr. Muhammad Nabi. And I have seen his video. He has done a very professional way. All are appreciating, and I wholeheartedly appreciate him for his video presentation. Without taking much time, I thanks M. Nagaraju sir for giving me this time to say a few words on this occasion. Thank you one and all.